You're ruining your elk hunt because you're making these 5 fatal mistakes. But I'm gonna fix that for you so you don't end up like the countless hunters failing to bag their dream elk. Name's Ernie. Ernie the elk. Welcome to my cabin. Yeah, I said my cabin. You think only humans get to have hunting cabins? That's speciesist. I've been squatting here for 3 seasons and the owner hasn't been back once. Pretty sure it's legally mine now. So why did I invite you here today? Well, I've been doing some research. 8 seasons worth of observations. And you know what I've documented? The same 5 mistakes. Over and over and over again. Hundreds of you humans coming through my mountains, and you all make the exact same mistakes. Today, I'm going to tell you your story. The story of how you're about to come into my mountains and absolutely embarrass yourself. So sit down, well, you're probably already sitting. Get comfortable, because we're about to walk through your entire hunt, mistake by mistake. Spoiler alert, you're gonna mess up. A lot. Let's go. So you draw your tag, lose your mind, spend a fortune on gear, and finally make it to the trailhead. Day 1. I time this. Average time before new hunters realize they're dying, 12 minutes. You've got your gym membership where you walk on a treadmill twice a month while watching Netflix. Yeah, that's not gonna work at 9,500 feet. Within a quarter mile, you're bent over, heart pounding, questioning your life choices. Meanwhile, I'm 6 miles back taking a nap. Mistake number 5, showing up out of shape. Train for real, weighted pack hikes, stair climbers with 50 pounds, 3 months minimum. Because all the gear in the world doesn't matter if you can't get to where I am. But okay, you're tough. Day 2, you make it deeper. And then you hear a bull bugle. Your eyes light up. You grab your bugle and make this sound that's like a clarinet being murdered. But hey, a bull responds. Let's say it's me. And then you make your mistake. You bugle again, and again, and again, 7 times. You just stand there making noise like a broken car alarm. By the 3rd bugle, I know exactly where you are. By the 5th, I know something's wrong. By the 7th, I'm in the next drainage telling my buddies about the weird honking noise. Mistake number 4, calling too much at the wrong times. Less is more. When a bull responds, don't immediately call back. Make him wonder. Close the distance quietly, then call again if needed. Call early morning and late evening, not midday. And sometimes, the best call is no call at all. Day 4, you're learning. You're in a good funnel, you check the wind, you made a subtle cow call. I'm actually intrigued, so I start coming in. 60 yards, 50, 40. You can see me now. Your heart's going crazy. This is it. And then I smell you. Old Spice, coffee, bacon. Did you seriously eat bacon for breakfast? You smell like a human, and I am gone. Mistake number 3, ignoring the wind. My nose is a superpower. I can smell you from hundreds of yards away. You check the wind once, then stop. Big mistake. Check it constantly, every few minutes. If it shifts, move immediately. Always approach from downwind. And those scent sprays, they don't beat proper wind management, ever. Day 5, you hear another bull. You immediately set up right where you're standing and start calling. That bull bugles back but never comes in. An hour of this. Know why? Terrible location. You're in an open area with a big meadow between you. Elk don't cross open areas when something feels off. We like cover, security, natural travel routes. Mistake number 2, wrong location. We use terrain strategically. Ridges, saddles, benches. We bed in thick timber, feed in meadows, but approach carefully. When you hear a bull, think, where will he feel comfortable? Set up with good cover, near travel corridors. Scout beforehand, use topo maps, on X. Find those natural funnels. Pre-planning beats random guessing every time. Day 6, your last morning. And you've done everything right. Perfect location, checking wind constantly, calling strategically, and hitting the subscribe button so my friends don't ghost you on your next hunt. I'm watching from here and I'm impressed. Maybe I'm feeling sentimental, so I decide to come in. I'm coming through the timber, 40 yards, 35. You can hear me. And then I step out, 35 yards, broadside, picture perfect, calendar worthy, and you panic. Hands shaking like a jackhammer. You fumble your rangefinder, drop it, guess the distance wrong. Rush the shot because you're terrified I'll disappear. Arrow sails way over my back. Clean miss. I'm gone. You're sitting there devastated. Mistake number 1, not being ready for the shot. This is the most heartbreaking mistake. Everything else just gets you to this moment. If you can't execute, it all means nothing. Practice before your hunt. From weird positions, with elevated heart rate, uphill and downhill angles. Know your effective range and stick to it. Stay mentally focused during setups. Range landmarks before elk appear. And when the moment comes, slow down. Control your breathing. Trust your practice. You have more time than you think. I won't vanish if you take 3 seconds to do it right. Avoid these and you've got a real shot. Make them and you're just another case study in my files.